Welcome back everyone. I've got a really fun and easy recipe for you today. We're going to make some blender coconut and oat cookies. All of it is done in just a matter of minutes. This one's gluten-free as long as you're using gluten-free oats. It's dairy-free and refined sugar-free. Just a few basic ingredients that you probably already have on hand in your pantry. Let's get into it. Line 2 baking trays with baking paper and preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. All of the ingredients go straight into the blender jug, starting with 2 cups of rolled oats, 2/3 of a cup of desiccated coconut, 1/2 cup of softened or melted coconut oil, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt. Remove the filler cap from the lid and insert the tamp. Select nut mode and then turn the speed down to medium. Blend for around 10 seconds using the tamp to push the ingredients down into the blades. You can blend until completely smooth, or to make a slightly more textured cookie, keep some of the oats intact. Spoon 12 even portions of the mixture onto your prepared trays straight from the blender jug. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Allow them to cool and set on the tray before serving. So there you go, quick, simple, easy, delicious cookies made in the blender. Save yourself some time and some washing up. The quickest cookie you'll ever make. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another Luvele recipe.